The Plattsburgh Knot produces a symmetrical, elongated triangle that's magnificently robust. It takes its name from the town of Plattsburgh in New York, where its inventor, Mr Fink, happens to come from. This baby makes the perfect statement in the boardroom because it's big and confident, just like you, my friend. Now, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. All right, let's give it a go. Place the tie around your neck with the seam facing outwards. The wide end should sit lower than the skinny end. Cross the skinny end over the top of the wide end to create a cross. Fold the wide end up through the neck loop and pass it back down. Transfer it to your left side. Fold it up through the neck loop and pass it back down. Transfer it to your right side. Cross the wide end over the knot towards your left. Pull it up through the neck loop from underneath. Push it down through the loop you've created in the knot. Pull down on the wide end to tighten the knot. Slide the knot up towards your neck and adjust as you need. Well done, comrade. You've just completed the Plattsburgh Knot. That's gotta be a cause for celebration. Japanese sake all around. Konnichiwa, my friend. For our full range of ties, check out OTAA.com. Now, smash that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.